It's Bocca Junior football fans, and of course, these are been celebrating here. And it's a game day, it's a match day, as a derby, is a world derby. Argentina and two best teams are playing together, playing today. And of course, this is just as a crew of the Bocca Junior fans as they are going to face the River Plate, and it's going to be, of course, everybody expect that it's going to be the amazing game. It's going to be the fantastic match, and it's going to be the decisive match on both sides. And in fact, Bocca Junior wants the positive result so as to be in a good standing, as well as River Plate Football Club also is in need of the positive result. It should be quite clear that Bocca Junior and River Plate's match is just a world match, and it's one among of the attractive match in the world. It's the first derby in the world. When these two clubs meet on the pitch, things and atmosphere change. When these two clubs meet on the pitch, things are very absolutely changing. And of course, everybody today expects the fantastic and the wonderful football due to the fact that they have always been struggling to show their quality on their pitch. As these two football clubs have always been fighting on the pitch due to the fact that they have the greater competition. The Bocca Junior and the Rivers United clubs have the huge and the stiff competition. That's why this match is just 10 days the past match in the world, the past derby in the world, the two giants. And of course, it's one among of the, not one among of, it's the first derby in the world. This is just the clear of the Manchester. No, this is just the clear of the River Plate fans. It's just a clear of the Bocca Junior fans. They are waiting for the match, and through television. This means that they have lacked a chance to enter on the pitch and watching their players. This is just a number of the fans who are outside the stadium and they are waiting for their team. And in fact,